What's up guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Zachary and I'm a graphic designer and music enthusiast. So this weekend I had an idea in mind that I had to get to the computer and I had to design it. So I had this idea in mind where I wanted to use a quote or like a song title and turn it into a print or a poster. That's kind of what we did. So I used the song Back in the Saddle Again on Aerosmith's Rocks album from 1976. That's what we did and that's what we ran with. So as you can see back here, Back in the Saddle Again, I made this print slash poster. Basically, I just wanted to design something different. I wanted to use stock imagery of like horses running in a field or horses with a mountain structure in the background. I really wanted to go with this really rugged halftone look to it. So I used Duran's plugin on Photoshop. I haven't really used it too much. Freebie on his website right now. I'll link it below. Go check out Duran. He's a great, amazing graphic designer, creates great plugins, and is just constantly being innovative in the graphic design field. I had this Freebie halftone plugin that I got from his website, and I haven't really messed with it yet, so I really wanted to mess with it. So that's where one of the main inspirations came from when I started working on this design, was that I really wanted to use this halftone plugin. So that's where we got this awesome half-toned horse backdrop here with the horses running off in the distance, and you see some clouds and stuff. And yeah, so that's really where a lot of the inspiration came from, and I wanted to tie it to an Aerosmith song or an Aerosmith album. We went with Back in the Saddle Again, kind of tie those things together, the horses and the music. And this is just a short video, kind of like behind the scenes, like how I did last week, but it's just like a quick fast forwarded video of the design process and what I did and how I did it. Yeah, with that being said, here's the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So that was the creation of the Back in the Saddle Again design print idea that I had. Like I said, it's Aerosmith inspired. I wanted to take that halftone plugin that Duran gracefully gives people for freebies on his website. Like I said, I'll link that down below. Once again, shout out Duran and all his graphic design creations. It helps out designers so much, and it was so much fun playing with it. This isn't a sponsored segment or anything. I just wanted to mess around with this freebie that he offered on his website. And this design, I absolutely love it. It turned out great, worn and textured looking, and I really love it. Just to kind of touch base to the song again, we got I'm Back and Riding High at the bottom with the Roman numerals of 2025 in the middle. Back in the Saddle Again. Just wanted to tie some more design aspect to the song besides the fact of the big Back in the Saddle Again with the horses underneath. You can see on the fast forward clips that you just saw that on the bottom of that design was my name, Dylan & Co. with the Roman numerals, and then it just said Wild Horses because I was trying to tie another song into it, a Rolling Stone song, but I wanted to stick to just strictly Aerosmith, so that's why we switched over to the I'm Back and Riding High. Strictly keeping it just an Aerosmith vibe for this print. Yeah, so that's it. That's the print. That's the design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to tune in next week. We got a monthly album redesign coming up, and also I got a video coming out very soon where we show this office/studio space, the before and the after of it. So that video is coming very soon. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Let me know what you think of the print. Comment down below. What do you think of the print? Aerosmith inspired print. Hope you guys dig it. And on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.